If you think that you're going to become profitable watching a third, fourth, or 10th trading course on YouTube, you are wrong. And I'm sorry to tell you that, but this is not how I made it. I'm going to reveal you all the secrets that made me go from a non-profitable trader, following gurus, losing all its money, buying courses, to actually someone that made it, went abroad thanks to trading, and is actually living his best life. And this is not due to the course I've been following. This is really due to the mentor I followed. A mentor is someone that's going to interact with you directly. It's not someone that you're going to follow just on YouTube. You can still drop a follow on the channel because all the free content I give still provides value. But following a mentor, finding a mentor, is someone that will keep you aware of how the market will go, of the new strategy, of the secrets, or of insider information. So if you want to find your own mentor before the end of this video, and no, I'm not making my own promotion because I don't sell any coaching services, any course, anything. Stay until the end, listen carefully, and I'll give you all this information right now. So first of all, a mentor is someone that's going to be close to you. It's someone that's going to bring experience, someone wise, with information that is not public. And this is the difference with a regular course seller. A course seller is basically going to take your money to provide information that he provides to a lot of people. Basically, if this information is public, it does not work anymore on the market. And this is why I don't sell courses. I keep information for the people that I'm close to in my group, which is in the description, by the way. All my analysis are free there. A mentor is going to take care of you, is going to avoid you the regular traps that the market is setting. It's someone that actually made it already. Now, how to understand? Now, what are the steps to find a mentor? First of all, you need to be open-minded. You need to try to network with as most traders as you can. You need to stop being scared to interact with content, to talk with people, to send them private messages. This is how I found my first mentor. Second thing, you need to make a clear difference between a trading guru and a real mentor. A trading guru is never going to be on charts, is never going to live trade, is never going to provide proof, and his strategy is going to be public. A mentor is going to keep information for himself or a small group of people. He's not going to sell any public services, and his life will be fully dedicated to his network of traders, himself, and trading. Third of all, this guy will have a track record. This guy will also be able to provide proof that he's actually profitable. Showing a Lambo isn't proof at all. Last but not least, a mentor can show proof that his students, the people that he helps, that he mentors, are actually profitable as he is. It's also a question of information that is transmitted from him to other people. Bonus point, if he's there for years, it's a much better thing because most scams, most fake gurus, course sellers are there since a few months, since a few weeks. They invent themselves a lifestyle, rent a few cars, and they're done. A mentor has been sharing things for years. You cannot stay in the trading sphere and not getting exposed if you have a shit service and you stay visible for years. I hope this video helps. You can leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, or even go in my private group if you want me to be your mentor. I have nothing to sell you, by the way. And feel free to tell me the traders that you've been following and the ones that have not been real mentors so people can avoid them.